Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. How are you doing? Ron made me this sign, and he has asked me to be administrator in his cyber space. I want to call him Cyber Tree because that's what he used to be. Okay, cyberspace Facebook group, and I'm going to do what I said I was going to do, which is use my jelly plate, my yucky ancient jelly plate. Do I need a new one? I don't know. But we're going to do some backgrounds for the ICADs, and let's just get with it, shall we? I don't know how to. It's been so long. I'm out of practice. Of course, I love this. What is that? I meant to do that. I have a new mat upstairs. I might go get it later, but no, why? Why should I? I'll just ruin it. See, I put too much paint on there. And where are my stencils? Oh, I see them. That's fine. Everything is fine because it's just a background. And we're going to layer those. But for this, I'm going to do this. Close enough for rock and roll. It'll be fine. Trust me, I'm a professional. She says, putting too much paint one more time. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Put a mat down underneath this. I still could do that. Grab. Grab the stencil eventually. It's an experiment. Oh, I like it a lot. And do this one. Not just one. Nope. Okay, how about if I do this to fill that in? Okay. Yeah, I can live with that. Do this. That. how did I do that? There it is. I'm going to cover the whole thing in pink next. Yes, I said it, pink. That didn't take off hardly anything, but that's okay. It's all just a game. It's all fun and games till you put too much paint on. I'm scared. Okay, I need a pokey thing. Because you know I don't take care of my stuff. Situation normal. Just staying with a very limited color palette. Still using the funky book for sentiments. That's 2. Grunge-tastic. Grunge-tastic. Yep, I need a piece of paper. One piece of paper. Okay, some black. It's not, I know I've used it. Did I just do this? No. Probably. With some yellow would be awesome. I don't even have the fan on and it's drying out fast. Ooh. Love it. Let's get off on there. On here. Why aren't you doing? Probably dry. Okay. Do this. Get back to the yellow. these things are tangled. Go with this one. Really press it. She says, not knowing after all these years how to use her brayer. Better put this on before disaster strikes. Come back in with this one. It's okay if they're yucky. Yucky's good. Then you put some cool pictures on them and it don't matter anymore. So I can still see the swirls. What if I haven't done purple in a little while? There. Barely see it on there. These are going to be interesting. Okay. Let's see how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I need to use this paint. I'm going to see what this does. Nope, because I waited too long. No, I meant to do that. Let's put this one down. Very interesting. And then a few more. Here. this one. Oh, well, you know. Okay. Maybe the next thing you see will be me working with these for the ICAD. So thanks for watching, y'all. Give Cyber a hand for that background music. Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Clean up, Rebecca. But don't kid yourself either. It'll be fine.